ಸೊ ಹೊಸಬ್ರಿರೋರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಂಗಳ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ರಿಪೀಟು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಗುರುರೇವ ಗತಿಃ ಗುರುಮೇವ ಭಜೆ,
ಗುರುರೇವ ಗತಿಃ ಗುರುಮೇವ ಭಜೆ,
ಗುರುಣೈವ ಸಹಸ್ಮಿ ನಮೋ ಗುರವೇ,
ಗುರುಣೈವ ಸಹಸ್ಮಿ ನಮೋ ಗುರವೇ,
ನ ಗುರೋಃ ಪರಮಂ
ನ ಗುರೋಃ ಪರಮಂ
ಶಿಶುರಸ್ಮಿ ಗುರೋಃ,
ಶಿಶುರಸ್ಮಿ ಗುರೋಃ
ಮತಿರಸ್ತಿ ಗುರೌ,
ಮತಿರಸ್ತಿ ಗುರೌ
ಮಮ ಪಾಹಿ ಗುರೋ,
ಮಮ ಪಾಹಿ ಗುರೋ,
ಪಠಾಮಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಂ ನಿತ್ಯಂ,
ಪಠಾಮಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಂ ನಿತ್ಯಂ, ವದಾಮಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಂ ಸದಾ, ಧ್ಯಾಯಾಮಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಂ ಸಮ್ಯಕ್, ವಂದೇ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಮಾತರಂ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯೂ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೀ. ಈಗ ಭಾರತಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಹೆಸರು, ಅರುಣಃ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ if it is a girl's name, you just have to add bhavatyaha. Nama is name. Bhavatyaha nama Janaki. We are telling to a girl, your name is Janaki. If it is a boy, bhavataha nama Bhuvanaha. Your name is Bhuvanaha. There in English we have only one word, your. If it is a feminine gender also we use as your. Masculine also we use as your. In Sanskritam there is slight difference. If it is feminine gender, the same word your is told as bhavatyaha. If it is masculine gender, it's bhavataha. So one example I have shown. Bhavatyaha nama Janaki, bhavataha nama Bhuvanaha. So can you guess one, first two? Somebody can volunteer and answer. Quickly, let it be interactive. It's going to be fun. It's okay if we make mistakes. Doesn't matter. Only by Bhasha Prayoga only we are going to understand the language. So please give an attempt. Anybody? Anarghya ji, can you try? Yes, Kavya ji, please go ahead. First two and then it is Jagadish Babu ji. Yes.
Namaste ma'am.
Namaste. Ha.
भवतः नाम समर्थः, भवत्याः नाम काव्या.
Huh. Here in the example, first two, Bharati, Arunaha. There, what can you use? For Bharati,
Arunaha,
Bhavatah nama Arunaha. Huh.
Yes, Bhavatyaः नाम Bharati.
Very good. Jagdish ji, next two. Can you try third and fourth?
भवत्याः नाम लोपमुद्रा, भवतः नाम अमृता.
Amruta strilingam. So what should be?
अमृताः.
Amruta, bhavatyaah.
भवत्याः नाम अमृता.
Samyak. Chaitrika ji, next two, can you try?
भवतः नाम गणेशः, नाम अच्युतः.
Bhavatah nama Achyutah. Raghavendra doctor, please, next two, can you try?
ಭವತ್ಯಾಹ ನಾಮ ಸೌಮ್ಯ, ಭವತಾಹ ನಾಮ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ.
You are on mute.
ಭವತ್ಯಾಹ ನಾಮ ಸೌಮ್ಯ, ಭವತಾಹ ನಾಮ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರಃ.
Samyak. Jagadish ji, next two, can you try? 9th and 10th. Not audible.
भवत्याः नाम ललिता.
Next one.
भवतः नाम अगस्त्यः.
Samyak. Next one you see, it's also very simple. Saha kaha, if it is a pullinga pada, like we are seeing a boy or a man, then we are asking, we don't know who is he, we are asking saha kaha, he is little far from us, so saha kaha, who is that person, saha kaha. The answer will be in pullinga, saha ramaha, saha vaidyaha, saha ganeshaha. You can see if it ends with visarga, we can make a guess it is pullinga pada. If the same person is near, yeshaha, it becomes yeshaha, means who is this person near to me. If it is in pullinga, same strilinga, sa yesha, sa ka, the ka also changes. In English, who is that person, same thing continues, or who is he, who is she, right? Here saha kaha, both comes with visarga, then it is telling that person is far, pullinga. Yeshaha kaha, that person is near, pullinga. Sa ka, both word changes. See, sa dirgha, ka dirgha. A female is there very far to me. Who is that person? Who is she? Who is far from me? Yesha ka, who is near to me, female, who is that? Similarly, tat, napumsakalingam. Tat, that, dura, which is far. Tat kim, again, kim is heard. It is napumsaka. Tat kim, if it is nearby, ye tat kim. So how are we going to frame sentences? The answers are in the sentence form. We have to use the correct question tag. Say for example, saha ramaha. The answer is heard. That person is Rama. What should be the question? Saha kaha. Similarly, yesha Sita. What is the answer? This person near me, she is Sita. So what could be the question? Yesha ka. So what are we addressing? We are trying to learn the question tags along with the pronouns. Tatvahanam, the answer is heard. That is a vehicle. So what was the probable question? Tat kim, right? So like that we will now understand. Saha vaidyaha is the answer told. What will be the question? Two question each one of you try. Yes, sir. Nagachandra Babu, please answer. First two, go ahead.
Saha kim,
Saha kaha.
kaha, saha kaha,
Yes, perfect. Second one.
yeshaha, sa ka,
That is for do. That is for a person who is far. The answer is telling.
esha vaidya,
So yesha
esha
ka.
ka, esha ka,
Samyak. Can you try next two also? Okay. Spurti ji. Please try. Third one.
एषः ब्रह्मा एषः कः
Correct. Very good. Fourth one.
तत् औषधम् तत् किम्
Tat kim. Samyak. Chaitrika ji, sorry. Can you try fifth and sixth? Dr. Raghavendra, can you try fifth and sixth?
Yes, ma'am. Etat anjanam, etat kim.
Ha.
Bharadwajaha, sa kaha.
Saha kaha. Jagdish ji, seventh and eighth. Can you try?
tat adrakam, tat kim,
Samyak. Very good.
esha marichika, esha
Questions?
ka, esha ka,
Very good. Yes, sir. Chaitrika ji, 9th and 10th. Anybody else wants to try 9th and 10th?
सा आमलकी सा का सः कषायः सः कः
Samyak. So now the next one is match the following. Anybody wants to try? Jagdish Babu?
भवत्याः
Okay. Go ahead.
भवत्याः नाम पतञ्जलिः
Bhavatyaha is Strilinga. Patanjali is Pullinga.
सुकन्या sorry भवत्याः नाम सुकन्या.
Correct. Second one.
सः कः सः सुश्रुतः. एतत् किम् एतत् चूर्णं. भवतः नाम पतञ्जलिः. सा लोपमुद्रा.
Samyak. Very good. Now, same thing in Bahuvachana. So, it was Saha Kaha. Now it becomes Te Ke. Plural. Who are those? Etaha Kaha in Strilinga. So, just follow the pronoun word in the beginning. Etaha. Add Kaha. Te Ke. Follow the same pattern. It's just the same thing. Tani Kani. Tat Kim Ekavachanam. Tani Kani Bahuvachanam. So I'll tell all three ones. Saha Kaha Ekavachanam. Te Ke Bahuvachanam. So Ye Shaha Kaha Ekavachanam. Ye Te Ke Bahuvachanam. Similarly, Ye Sa Ka Ekavachanam. Ye Sa Ka. Then Yetaha Kaha Bahuvachanam. Yesha Ka Ekavachanam. Just we have to add Visarga. Tat Kim Tani Kani. Yetat Kim Yetani Kani. Now, for now, even if you can't remember the Ekavachana, just follow the pattern. Te Balakaha. Te is heard. That is giving us the clue, it is Bahuvachanam. So the Bahuvachanam question tag is K for Pullinga, Kaha for Strilinga, Kani for Napumsakalinga. The left hand side will be this as given in answer. So Te Vaidyaha. What will be the question tag? Follow the example. Yes, Jagdish ji. First and the second, can you try? Te Vaidyaha.
Yesha Vaidyaha.
No, just add the question tag for the given sentence. Te Vaidyaha. What could be the question? Te Ke.
Te Ke.
Second one.
Taruna. Taha Tarunaha.
Taha Vaidyaha is there.
Taha Vaidyaha. Taha Vaidyaha.
Question tag.
Te Ke.
Yetaha.
Yetaha.
Kaha.
Kaha. Etaha Kaha.
Third and fourth you only try ji. Taha Devataha. What will be the question tag? Follow the pattern. Etaha Kaha is given. So Taha also will be?
Kaha.
So Taha Devataha Strilinga. Taha Kaha.
Taha
Kaha. Fourth one.
Tani Kani Tani Aushadani.
Tani Kani Tani Aushadhani. Fifth one. Etat Kamalani is there. It's wrong. Etani Kamalani should be there. Etani Kamalani. It should be Etani Kamalani. Yes. Can you try somebody, please? Next two. Etani Kamalani. Yes.
Etani Kamalani.
What is the question?
Tani Kani.
Etani Kani. Yes. Sixth one.
Te Purushaha. Te Ke.
Samyaka. Next one.
Ete Vrukshaha. Te Ke. Ete Ke.
Ete, K, correct. Then?
एताः मरीचिकाः एताः काः एतानि चूर्णानि
Yes.
तानि कानि
हाँ, और एतानि कानि.
एतानि कानि ताः ताराः एताः काः.
Huh. So the only difference is if you add a, it becomes near. You are addressing something near to you. If you remove a, just taha, tani, then you are addressing something far. Match the following. Who wants to try? Very simple it is. Yes, somebody try. Jagadish Babuji, can you try?
एषा तरुणाः.
Yesha is in Strilinga. What is the word that is in Strilinga on right side?
येषा देवता.
Yesha Devata. Taha, of Strilinga. Yes, Taha, ye, Strilinga Bahuvachanam. The Taha word is Strilinga Bahuvachanam. Te is Sudha Kandaha, chalk pieces. Sudha Kandaha is Ekavachanam. Sudha Khandaha is Bahuvachanam. So te, those are chalk pieces. The chalk piece word is in Pullinga Pada. Sudha Khandaha is Pullinga Pada. So Saha Sudha Kandaha Ekavachanam. Te Sudha Kandaha Bahuvachanam. Yeshaha should be the
येषः पुल्लिङ्ग एकवचनम्.
Yeshaha Pullinga Ekavachana. Saha
सः तरुणः.
Saha Tarunaha. Yes. The last one we will see. We will see this one. Last time we saw Shashti Ekavachanam. Okay. So 3 words also we saw. Shashti Ekavachanam. If it is Pullinga, then Krishnaha becomes Krishnasya. You have to add Sya. Remove the Visarga, add Sya to make it Shashti Ekavachanam. Shashti gives the meaning of apostrophe S in English. Ramas, Krishnas. Okay? Even when it is Pulli Napumsaka also, like Pustakam, what we'll do? We will remove that add Sya. Okay? So that is how we are going to frame the Shashti Ekavachanam. For Pullinga and Napumsakalinga, the Rupa is same. Krishnaha, Krishnasya. Aranyam, Aranyasya. Where it is going to change? In Strilinga. Sita. You have to add Yaha. Sita, Yaha. Sita's. Sita apostrophe S. Sita's husband. Sita, Yaha, Patihi. Like that. Nadi is there. How we will convert that into Shashti? Nad. Ikara you remove. Nad Yaha. Yaha is common for Strilinga word. If it is Sita, then Sita Yaha. If it is Nadi, Ikara, then it becomes Nad Yaha. Okay? So we will try. You will get to know. Krishnaha, Janakaha, Vasudevaha. Janakaha is father. Vasudevaha is name. So how do you form Krishna into Shashti Ekavachana? Prajwalji, go ahead.
कृष्णस्य जनक वसुदेवः.
Krishnasya Janakaha Vasudevaha. Krishna's father is Vasudeva. Second one also please try, Prajwalji.
अरणयमस्य नाम दण्डकम्.
Aranyasya Nama Dandakam. So forest's name is Dandaka. Chaitrika ji, third and fourth.
महिलायाः नाम मैत्रेयी. जलस्य पानं. जलस्य पानं.
Correct. Mahilayaha Nama, the woman's name is Maitreyi. Jalasya Panam, the intake of Jala. Jagadish Babuji, 5th and 6th.
गीता
गीतायाः
गीतायाः
बोधकः.
बोधकः श्रीकृष्णः.
The what do you say, the orator or the lecture of Gita is Shri Krishna. Yes, 6th one. If it is napumsaka, you should add sya. Remove ma, add sya.
औषधस्य
Sevanam.
सेवनम.
The intake of aushadha. Yes. Prajwal ji, 8th, 7th and 8th.
देवीयाः नाम लक्ष्मी.
Devyaha. Yes. Devyaha nama Lakshmihi. Next one.
बालकस्य नाम भीमः.
Spurti ji, 9th and 10th.
नद्याः नाम गङ्गा. तरुणस्य शाला.
So Nadyaha nama Ganga. The river's name is Ganga. Tarunasya Shala. The school of young boy or man. Raghavendra doctor, can you try the match the following?
Yes, ma'am.
Vrukshasya.
नाम निग्रोधाः वैद्यस्य नाम चरकाः संहितायाः नाम चरकम् औषधस्य नाम त्रिफलाचूर्णं देवस्य नाम धन्वन्तरीः.
So it is telling Vrukshasya nama, the name of the tree is Nyagrodha, name of the doctor, name of the Samhita, name of the Aushadham, name of the god. That's all. So what we'll do today is, okay, this I will again transfer for the your own abhyasa. If you have any doubt, we will take it directly in the next class. All what you have to do is balakaha is there, balakasya, netram netrasya, lekhani lekhanyaha. Try writing and come. You please write and come next week. We will definitely take this as revision if you have any doubts. Now, last time we took this. Kandukam kutra asti? Where is Kandukam? Kandukam means ball. It's far from the girl. So Kandukam tatra asti. She is telling it's there. The ball is there, far. Just for revision, we will take it up. Jalam kutra asti? So it's always relative, right? The distance. So she is telling Jalam atra asti. For her it is near. So Jalam is here. Atra asti is here. Tatra asti is there. Karyanam kutra asti? Karyanam is not in her framework, in her vision, but it is somewhere else. So Karyanam anyatra asti. She is recalling somewhere else. Anyatra asti is somewhere else. Anyatra, somewhere else. So tatra, there. Atra is here. Anyatra, somewhere else. So this also we saw. Kupi kutra asti? Kupi atra asti. Syutaha kutra asti? Syutaha tatra asti. Now, Shala kutra asti? Shala anyatra asti. It's not in her vision, right? So somewhere else it is. So you can observe kutra, that is not changing. Kupi is Strilinga padam. That also kutra. Syutaha Pullinga padam. Still kutra. Shala again Strilinga padam. Still kutra. So that kutra asti is not going to change even when the linga changes. That is, the gender of the word changes. Still that kutra asti will not change. Kutra asti means where, is where. Kupi kutra asti. Where is the bottle? Kupi atra asti. The bottle is here. Syutaha kutra asti. Where is the bag? Syutaha tatra asti. The bag is there. So, Shala kutra asti. Where is the school? School is somewhere else, right? So, similarly, Jalam atra asti. Kandukam tatra asti. Vayuhu kutra asti. Where is air? Sarvatra asti. Everywhere it is present, right? So everywhere is there. Where is Vayu? Vayu is everywhere. Similarly, कूपी अत्र अस्ति, स्यूतः तत्र अस्ति, प्रकाशः कुत्र अस्ति? प्रकाशः सर्वत्र अस्ति. So basic few words to understand the distance, right? Now we will watch this small story. Language can be picked up only by hearing again and again, right? So every class will hear to the bhasha for few minutes. This video contains the translation also. So watch it carefully, you'll be able to understand. One more thing, if you have any doubt, write down while you are watching. We can discuss at the end of the video.
चतुरः कच्छपः। एकदा कस्मिंश्चित् घनवने एकः शृगालः आसीत्। तस्य अतीव बुभुक्षा आसीत्, यतः तस्य समीपे खादितुं किमपि न आसीत्। सः खादितुं कमपि पशुं न अलभत। अहो मम उदरम् इति आकृष्टवान् शृगालः। सः वने भक्ष्यस्य अन्वेषणं कुर्वन् सर्वत्र अटितवान्। अकस्मात् सः एकं कच्छपं दृष्टवान्, अपि च तस्य समीपे तूष्णीं स्थित्वा झटिति तं गृहीतवान्। कच्छपः भीतः अभवत्, परन्तु शृगालः कच्छपं खादितुं न शक्तवान्, यतः तस्य कवचं कठिनम् आसीत्। तदा कच्छपः स्वं शृगालात् रक्षितुम् एकम् उपायम् अचिन्तयत्। कच्छपः अवदत्, शृगाल, भवान् मां जले निमज्जयतु, मम कवचं मृदु भवेत्। तदनन्तरं भवान् मां खादितुं शक्नोति इति। स च शृगालः अतीव मूर्खः, अतः सः कच्छपस्य वचनं विश्वस्य कच्छपं सरोवरे अक्षिपत्। कच्छपः पलायत्, अपि च क्षेमस्थितिं प्राप्नोत्। शृगालः मूढः आसीत्, येन सः कच्छपेन प्रतारितः इति न अवागच्छत्। कच्छपः तस्य प्रतिभाबुद्धेः उपयोगं कृत्वा स्वस्य रक्षणम् अकरोत्। कच्छपः व्याकुलः न अभवत्, प्रत्युत सः शान्त्या उपायं विचिन्त्य स्वरक्षणं कृतवान्। एवमेव कष्टकाले शान्तमनसः उपयोगः भवति।
Any doubts you have? No? Okay, great. So now we will learn Sankhya through a rhyme. Okay? And then we will continue the class.
पश्यत किमस्ति मम हस्ते। एकत्वे पश्यत किमस्ति मम हस्ते। त्रीणि चत्वारि हस्ते पात्रं पात्रे वारि। त्रीणि चत्वारि हस्ते पात्रं पात्रे वारि। पञ्चषट् जम्बीररसं योजयता। पञ्चषट् जम्बीररसं योजयता। सप्त अष्ट लवणं गुडं च मिश्रयत। सप्त अष्ट लवणं गुडं च मिश्रयत। नवदश शनैः मन्थ्यत। नवदश शनैः मन्थ्यत। स्वादुपानकं सिद्धं रे मिलित्वा वयं वयं पिबामहे मिलित्वा वयं पिबामहे.
So can anyone of you tell 1 to 10? Since we saw it now. Simple. I can.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि
Correct.
पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नवं नव दश.
Samyak. Excellent. Anybody else wants to give a try? Spurti ji, Prajwal ji, Nagachandra Mahodaya. Please go ahead. Okay. Prajwal ji, go ahead.
Ekam
Dve
Traya
Trini Chatvari
Panch Ashta
Sapta
Ashta Nava Dasha.
Samyaka. Anybody else? Last one time we'll revise. Yes, Dr. Savitri ji, please.
नमस्ते मैडम.
नमस्ते.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षष्टं पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नवं दश.
नव दश. हाँ. Chaitrika ji, try. Can you unmute? You wanted to try, right? Okay, so we will continue. We'll learn few Kriya Padam, verbs. So I won't give the translation. I believe the pictures will convey. Anybody wants to read? Go ahead. Please.
Patati.
Yes, quickly.
Gachati.
What do you mean by that?
Coming.
Going. Going is gachati. Next one, can you read?
Kridati. Means playing.
Correct. Next. Yes, take turn to read.
Khadyati.
Khadati.
Yes, eats. Next. Good if you can tell the meaning also so that it becomes clear to all of us. Yes. Next one.
Pashyati. To see.
Correct.
Likhati. To write.
Correct.
Rodati. To cry.
Roditi.
To cry.
Special verb. Roditi, to cry. Yes. Next.
Hasati. To laugh.
Perfect. Next.
Pachati. To digest.
To cook. Next. Yes, please.
Tadyati.
Tadayati.
To punish.
To hit. Yeah. Then.
Tarjati.
Correct. To scold.
Kurdati. To jump.
Correct.
Patati.
Falling down. Correct. Next.
Gayati. Singing.
Yes.
Vadayati. To play an instrument.
Correct. Next.
Nrutyati, to dance.
One thing we need to observe is the Kriya Padam will not change if the gender changes. So, Balakaha hasati, Balika hasati, right? Keep that in mind. In regional languages, it changes. If it is in Kannada, Avadu nagtale, Avanu nagtane. But in English, it won't change. He smiles, she smiles. Same thing is in Sanskrit also. He smiles, Saha hasati. She smiles, Sa hasati. So because the gender of the doer changes, the Kriya Padam won't change. So here are some things. Oh, sorry, there is animation problem. Anyway, anybody wants to read? I will display all of them. You can read. First two. Can anyone read? Please, quickly. First two.
Balaha patati.
Meaning?
The boy is reading.
Correct. Perfect. Next one.
Vahanam gacchati. The vehicle is going.
Correct. Next.
Rama kridati. Rama is playing.
Correct.
Ramaha khadati. Rama is eating.
Correct.
Rameshaha pashyati. Ramesh is watching. Janani likhati. Janani is writing.
Mother is writing.
Mala nrityati. Mala is dancing. Krishnaha hasati. Krishna is laughing. Balika agachati. Girl is coming.
Correct. It's the house. So she's coming from school. So gachati is going. Agachati is coming. Okay. Correct. Now.
Balakaha nayati. The boy is what? Nayati is
carries.
Okay, carrying.
Carries
is carrying.
Goes. Anayati is brings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nayati is to take. Anayati is to bring.
Sureshaha anayati. Suresha is bringing.
Correct.
Maheshaha dhavati. Mahesh is running.
Correct. Now we saw this in Ekavachanam. Very easy to frame in Bahuvachanam. You have to add n to the last letter. Patati we saw. Patanti. So there are more than 2 children. More than 2 is called as Bahuvachanam. Patanti. Just have to add nakara to everything. So one of you can read. What is this? Quickly.
Gachantihi.
Gachanti.
Gachanti. Kridanti. Swadanti.
Khadanti.
Khadanti. Pashyanti. Likhanti.
Rudanti.
Rudanti.
They all cry. Next.
Hasyanti.
Hasanti. Perfect.
Pachanti.
They cook.
Taranti.
Taranti means?
Swim.
Swim.
They swim.
Chintayanti. Think.
Chintayanti. Think.
Next.
Kudranti.
Kurdanti.
Kurdanti. Patanti. Jayanti.
Gayanti.
Gayanti. Vadyanti.
Vadayanti.
Vadayanti. Nrityanti.
Small exercise we'll do right now. Can any one of you tell the Ekavachana of the forms displayed here? For example, Patanti, Ekavachanam, Patati. So, similarly, just have to tell wrote abhyasa. Can anyone try? Ekavachanam of this. Quickly. Yes.
Gachati.
Gachati.
Kridati.
Kridati. Samyak.
Kradati. Pashyati. Likati. Rudati.
Roditi. That's only the special verb. Roditi.
Roditi. Asati. Pachati.
Tarati.
Tarati. Chintayati. Kurdati.
Kurdati. Samyak.
Kurdati. Patati. Gayati. Vadayati. Nrutyati.
Nagalakshmi Bhagini. Can you read? Same thing in association with the noun. Balaha patanti. Can you read, Nagalakshmi ji? You have raised your hand. If you are telling, then you are on mute. We can't hear you. Jagdish ji, can you try? Can you read?
Balaha patanti. Children are studying. Vahanani gachanti. The vehicles are moving, coming.
Going. Going.
Balikaha kridanti. The girls are playing. Mahilaha khadanti. The ladies are eating.
Samyak. Excellent.
Balakaha pashyanti. Children are watching. Chatraha likhanti. Students are writing. Balikaha nrityanti. The girls are dancing. Balakaha hasyanti. Hasanti. The boys are laughing. Balikaha agachanti. The girls are coming. Balaha nayanti. Children are going. Carrying. Purushaha anyanti. Anayanti. Men are coming. Bringing. Men are bringing.
Agachanti, they themselves will come.
Okay.
Anayanti, they are bringing something. So,
Okay.
Anayanti is to bring. They are bringing. Purushaha, the men are bringing.
Purushaha anayanti, men are bringing.
Samyak. Excellent.
Chatraha dhavanti. That the students are running.
Correct. Can you try telling in Ekavachanam same sentences quickly?
Yes.
I'll tell one. Balaha patati.
Balaha patati. Vahanani Vahanam gachanti.
Ekavachanam, you should not add nakara.
Okay.
Gacchati is correct. Vahanam gacchati.
Vahanam gacchati. Balika kridati.
Excellent.
Mahila khadati. Balaka pashyati. Balakaha pashyati. Chatraha likhati. Balika nrityati.
Excellent.
Balaka hasati.
Balakaha with visarga.
Balakaha hasati.
Excellent try.
Balikaha.
There is no visarga for Ekavachana Strilinga. Visarga only for Pullinga. So here it is Balika.
Balika aganti.
Agacchati.
Balaha
Balaha. What
Balaha.
happens when it is mixed crowd? Always the Pullinga pada is used to express. It is mixed crowd here. We have
Yes.
girls also, boys also. So general, we will use Pullinga pada. So Balaha.
Balaha niyanti.
Nayati.
Nayati. Purushaha anayati. Chhatraha धावन्ति.
Dhavati. Chhatraha dhavati. Samyak. Excellent. So like we have one shloka here from Charaka Samhita, so Charaka Sutras, whatever. So I will read the shloka. Maitri karunya marteshu shakye priti rupekshanam prakritistheshu bhuteshu vaidya vrittish chaturvidha. So there is no word order generally in Sanskritam. What is word order? In English, Rama goes to the forest. We have to have the same order of the word to frame a sentence. You can't tell forest goes Rama. Like that we can't exchange. But in Sanskritam it is possible. Ramaha vanam gacchati. Right sentence. Gacchati Ramaha vanam. Correct. Vanam gacchati Ramaha. Correct. So there is no word order usually. In shlokas, we will not have word order at all. So what should we do? We have to take 2 steps to understand shlokas. First is, let us do the padacheda. The words should be separately taken out. So when you do the padacheda, cheda is literally to cut or to separate. So pada, separate the word. There are a lot of sandhis there. When we pronounce the letters closely, there is varna vikara. The sound changes. So based on all those, we need to separate the words first. So how many words are there? Maitri, Karunyam, Arteshu, Shakye, Pritihi, Upekshanam, Prakritistheshu, Bhuteshu, Vaidyavrittihi, Chaturvidha. You can see Vaidyavrittish Chaturvidha is heard in shloka. So this Visarga transforms to Shakara when we closely utter the Visarga with Chakara. So Vaidyavrittish Chaturvidha. In shloka it is compulsory to add Shakara. While understanding, we need to break and we should bring Vaidyavrittihi. The original word was Vaidyavrittihi with Visarga. But because of closest possible utterance of Visarga with Chakara, next is Chaturvidha. So this magically this Visarga will transform to Shakara. Okay. Now, what is the Anvaya? We need to bring the orderly placement of words. That's called as Anvaya. So Chaturvidha, 4 types. What is 4 types? Vaidyavrittihi, the profession of Vaidya or the work of Vaidya, doctor. What are those? Maitri, friendship or the compassion towards the people who are in touch with Vaidya. Karunyam, karunayaha bhava. You need to have that because the usual behavior of a Manushya changes when he falls sick. He tends to appear more weak or he tends to appear more aggressive, which is not the usual swabhava of a Manushya. So we need to give that margin, karunya, that, that willingness to suspend the, the usual, whatever the emotions we get when we see a human behaving in certain way, that compassion, that kind of, okay, it is I can understand. The usual behavior of a person is not like that. Because he is sick, he is tending to behave in this certain way. So this is called as karunyam. Then he tells, Shakye arteshu pritihi. So arta is one who is in trouble, who is not in his usual senses. He could have lost his physical power, or his mental power or his emotional power. So all three comes under the category artha. So arteshu pritihi means in this usual sense the rugna, the rogi. So you should have preeti, sneha or connection with these kind of rogi. But what kind? If he is treatable, if the disease is treatable, or you can understand that, okay, after diagnosis, I can make this rogi into a healthy being. If you analyze that, only then you develop the compassion, love, and keep in contact. Otherwise, upekshanam, negligence. Bhuteshu, here bhuta is the human being. Bhavanti iti bhutani, whatever that exists in general is called as bhuta. That which is in existence in this creation is called as bhuta. But here the context is the rogi who is in contact. So he is telling prakritistheshu bhuteshu upekshanam. If you see that particular disease is not curable, he is, should be left to the prakriti to take care. We can see many things the Vaidya cannot cure. In that case, don't attempt to give him any kind of false assurance. Allow the nature to take course, and he will belong to nature and finally is going to deteriorate and die peacefully. So do not interfere. Upekshanam is to neglect. Don't interfere. Like this, we have 4 kinds of Vaidya Vritti. So same thing. Tatparyam. Atureshu mitra bhavaha. Atura is one who is sick. In them, mitra bhavaha, the friendly nature, the friendliness, what should be shown. Karuna bhavaha cha, the compassion also, 2 over. Sadhyanam roganam chikitsayam pritihi. Where it is curable, sadhya is, yes, this is happening, this will happen, the cure will happen. In those cases of sick people, chikitsayam pritihi, to cure them, have the love or connection. Asadhyanam roganam, you can analyze that this is not curable. Asanna marananam, he is nearing the death. It doesn't matter what age he is, but you can see that the Prakriti has won over everything, and now he will shed his sharira. Then roginam cha parityagaha, just leave him. Don't try to interfere with the Prakriti. Iti, like this, Vaidyanam, all the doctors, Chaturvidha Vrittihi Bhavati, 4 kinds of pravartanam happen. So if we can sum up, Vaidya Vrittihi, Atureshu Mitra Bhavaha, Atureshu Karuna Bhavaha, then Sadhyanam Roganam Chikitsayam Pritihi. So Pritihi, love. In what? Chikitsayam, in curing. Curing of what? Where you can cure the disease. Sadhyanam, it is possible to cure. Asadhyanam, which means to say he is reaching the death. Roginam cha parityagaha, just leave him. Do not interfere. Right? So here there are few examples for you to take as exercise, practice. I have shown in the example, like balakaha gacchati ekavachanam. How do you transform balakaha gacchanti bahuvachanam? Similarly, there are few bahuvachana sentences. Purushaha nayanti. Transform them into ekavachanam. Purushaha nayati. The first 5, ekavachanam to bahuvachanam. Next 5 is bahuvachanam to ekavachanam. So here in the first column, in the first table, ekavachane likhata. So I have given certain verbs in bahuvachanam. Just write ekavachanam. The clue is remove nakara at the end. Bahuvachane likhata, which means to tell that the verbs are in ekavachanam. You should make it into bahuvachana by doing what? Simply add nakara to the previous last letter. Upavishati, upavishanti. Got it? So try and come. You have any doubts, we can take it in the next class. Yes. You want to discuss something? I'm available. Otherwise, we can close.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.